Hey guys, what is up? It is Dominic, and in this video, we're going to be breaking down Go High Level, of course, but more specifically, we're going to be breaking down Ask AI and all the new things that it can do. Ask AI has been getting so many updates like every single week, and sometimes we just lose track of all the insane things that Ask AI can do for us as agency owners, and more specifically for our clients. That's what this video is about. It's about positioning Ask AI correctly and not only using it as an agency owner, which is what all of you guys use it as right now, and that's totally fine. But I want to talk about truly positioning Ask AI for your sub accounts, for your actual clients. Now, if you are brand new to the channel, you don't know me, or you don't know what Ask AI even is, maybe you haven't even signed up for Go High Level, then let me give you a quick rundown and help you out as much as possible. Ask AI is basically ChatGPT inside of Go High Level, except where ChatGPT is mostly just answering questions for you, Ask AI is actually performing the tasks that you want it to perform. So for example, let's say I have no idea what opportunities and pipelines are. Then I could go over here to Ask AI and say, what are opportunities and pipelines? I can press enter and then check it out. It's probably going to give me the exact answer. And there we go. It tells you exactly what an opportunity is, what a pipeline is, how it works inside of Go High Level, the key features, and everything else that you would need to know. Now, is that exciting? Yeah, it's kind of exciting, but we have ChatGPT, we have Google, we could have easily figured this out. Where Ask AI carries all of its value is right down here, the last thing that it said. It says, would you like help setting up a pipeline or creating your first opportunity? That's why Ask AI is so powerful. It sets it up for you. It can create everything in the back end so that you don't have to. And I used opportunities and pipelines as the example because they can get pretty intense. I mean, there can be a lot involved in all of these different stages. Follow-up stages, we've got proposals being sent, we've got on-site measurements, pretty much anything you could imagine that would happen in a day-to-day operation for a business can be built in an opportunity stage and a pipeline. So imagine having Ask AI not only explain to you what the pipeline and opportunity is, but build it for you as well. And I have tons of videos where Ask AI is building us insane systems inside of GHL. So I highly recommend checking that out. But for right now, I want to show you guys some of the newest features inside of Ask AI and keep you guys updated so that you can use it as leverage power with your clients. So many of you guys, like I said, are only using Ask AI for yourselves. You're using it to onboard your agency. You're using it to build automations. You're using it to build the opportunities and pipelines, to respond to people, blah, blah, blah. That's great. But why haven't you positioned it as a sales point and as leverage power when talking to a client? And I'll be honest, guys, even I struggle to do this because it's so new. When I go in and I sell this to a chiropractor or I sell it to a roofer or a pest control company, the first thing on my mind is not, hey, we have this insane AI ChatGPT bot that can genuinely do anything that you want it to do. So you can just click this microphone right here, talk into Ask AI and say, hey, I've got 6 appointments today. Can you respond to all 6 of them? Follow up with a text message, then leave a reminder for my assistant to follow up again with the ones that actually responded, blah, blah, blah. Anything you want. Literally just say it. And it can build the entire system for you and send it out and do it all for you right then and there. Something that probably would have taken you as an agency owner a pretty long time to set up. So why aren't you using that? Why aren't you utilizing Ask AI, which is built in every single sub account that you have inside of GHL, and saying, hey, this is what you get when you sign up with our $300 a month plan. You get an assistant that will do whatever you want it to do, and you don't really need to go and learn your CRM because it can do it for you. So enough yapping out of me. Let's get into it. What are the new features inside of Ask AI? How do we even find out what these features are? And will they be useful for us, not as agency owners, but for our clients? So the first thing that I ask every time I want to find out what's new is I ask what's new. If you ask AI what new features they have, they will just tell you. So that's what I'm going to do right here. So I said, what are the newest features that you have? I want a breakdown and a list. Let's press enter and see what new features Ask AI has. All right, guys, and here it is. Ask AI gave me a nice little list that's well labeled, and I can easily just go down the list for you guys right here on all the newest features inside of Ask AI. Now, a lot of these things you guys will probably never use. That's why after I go through this list, I want to go through the most important features of Ask AI, and I want to talk about how I would position that and sell that to the client. So the first one is persistent memory. 3, Ask AI can now remember facts about you and your business across every conversation, name, preference, projects, clients. So think of this as truly your personal assistant that remembers everything. That's one of the newest features. Very, very cool. Next, we have AI image generation. Ask AI can generate brand consistent images, edit existing photos, or extract text from an image. That's really important because in one of my last videos, I talked about the biggest updates to Go High Level. And one of the newest updates is this schedule button right here, where you can schedule Ask AI to do something every single day, week, month, hour, whatever it may be. So imagine we get to a point where the AI image generation is so good and so powerful that we could schedule posts. So then you can have Ask AI just posting for you every single week, every day, whatever it may be for all of your clients. And then creating the AI image and the post itself right here. Pretty cool. Maybe I can make a video and test that out. Next, we have Conversation AI Wizard. Onboard a full chatbot end to end from past convos or website signals, no manual setup. That is crazy. Ask AI is going above and beyond when it comes to setting up our conversation AI bots. You should definitely take advantage of this while you can, because who's going to set you up better for an AI bot than AI itself? Next, we have Blog AI Sub Agent. So you can now draft, write, edit, and publish full blog posts with SEO optimization fully delegated. I never even thought about this. Now, I was never a big blog guy. I know people like to use blogs for their websites because it helps with SEO. That's totally fine. You can easily build blogs inside of GHL. I haven't tried inside of AI Studio yet, but I'm sure it can. How cool would that be if you had to Ask AI constantly updating your blog inside of your website? Now that would be nice. It would always be helping your SEO as well. Next, we have Reporting Dashboard, which is pulling live metrics from your CRM dashboards, pipeline values, leads, revenue, appointments. This is also very important because when you're going through your opportunities and pipelines, you do have values. For instance, let's say I set this up for a roofing company, and let's say one of the contacts, one of the opportunities is a $30,000 roof installation. Well, in that case, we might need that $30,000 to be pulled out and sent somewhere to accounting or to our dashboard, mainly one of our reporting dashboards, so that we can see our profit and loss and everything else. There's so many different reasons why you might want to pull these live metrics from the dashboard. So that's pretty cool. Next, we have task scheduling. That's the one I just told you guys about. It's right here. It says, tell me to run any task later, one time or recurring every Monday at 9 a.m. is their example. Very, very cool. This can 100% change the game if you know how to do it. And it's a very easy selling point that I'm going to get to in a second. Next, we have Smart To-Do List. Multi-step tasks. Get a visual progress tracker right in the chat so you can follow along. So basically, it's just making the to-do list a lot easier because there can be a lot on your plate, especially when Ask AI is doing like 50 different things. And then right here, we have live web search. It can search the internet for real-time info and surface it with citations right inside of GHL. This is massive. This is really bringing like Claude and ChatGPT into Go High Level and truly integrating it, because now we can use the internet for so many different reasons, for clients, for yourself. I mean, it's genuinely endless. I don't even know how to make a video on this because there's so many different possibilities that you can use when you have live web search capabilities inside of GHL. Very cool. I'm going to try to make videos on this specifically. If you guys have cool ideas of what you want me to try, then make sure to like this video and leave a comment below on what you want to see. Next, we have Social Media Planner. I kind of just talked about that. So you can connect and manage posts across Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, all from the chat. Very, very cool, because if you connect that with the scheduler, then you now have a social media poster that's built in. Then we have Knowledge Base Builder. Create and manage your AI knowledge base, FAQs, train pages, and bot content. That's also very important because the knowledge base, if you don't know, is the brain behind the entire AI bot. So when you're building the knowledge base, we usually just go over to ChatGPT and we have it build giant knowledge bases that kind of look like this, and then we copy them and we paste them in, which is fine. You can still totally do that. I'm probably going to do that as well, but it is very cool that Ask AI can just do that right here inside of GHL now. And then lastly, we have Agent Studio. So it can execute specialized AI agents for complex multi-step automations inside of the platform. Basically just another massive update to Agent Studio and creating AI voice bots and AI agents, which is of course where Go High Level is going right now. So you want to make sure that you're up to date on all things Ask AI, because you can utilize this when you're pitching to a customer. If you know all the things that Ask AI can do, why not just pitch Ask AI? Because these right here are just all the new things that it can do. All the old things that it can still do are insane. There's so many. It can basically do almost anything that you need inside of Go High Level. Like what if I said, can you send out 5 reminder texts to 5 different contacts and then send a follow-up 1 hour later? press enter, and it's going to give you the entire system on what to do. And then all you have to do is confirm it. Check this out. And boom, there you go. It gives me 4 different things to fill out right here because of course I didn't put in the 5 contacts. So if I just put in the 5 contacts right here, then I can click next right there. What should the reminder text say? Of course. So we're going to tell them, hey, this is a reminder to schedule an appointment with us. And then what should the follow-up text 1 hour later say? And then we can put that into, go over to the last one, and there you go. It says which business is this for? So you're just going to choose which business it's for because I've got a ton in here. Obviously, most of the time your sub account will only have 1 business in it, but I use this sub account for all my YouTube videos. That's why there's so many. Let's say it's Dom's pool cleaner business, and then I would just click submit. Now, if you already had a lot of that information in there, this would have been even easier to do because you could have just talked into it and said, hey, send a reminder text to Dominic Baptist or to John Smith and say that we have an appointment in 20 minutes, or ask him if he wants to reschedule the appointment. And if he does, then reschedule it for me. Like, it's genuinely an insane assistant that can just do everything for you. As soon as I click submit right here, it's going to send 5 text messages to 5 different contacts inside of my system, and then a follow-up an hour later. No automations needed, no manual messaging needed. I could also have it add a tag if I wanted to, or a task. I could have it add notes. I mean, it's genuinely like mind-blowing what this thing can do, and you guys need to start positioning yourselves. You're like a vendor for Ask AI. You know what? Fun fact, I bet I could ask AI how to sell itself. Let's see what it says. I said, how should I sell Ask AI to small business clients? Let's see what Ask AI wants us to do in order to sell itself to small businesses. All right, guys, and it gave us more than enough answers right here. So check this out. It gave us the core value pitch. It gave us key selling points. It showed us how to frame it by industry, and it showed us monetization angles on how to make money with it. And it also told us what not to do. So let's start from the top. Let's see if this is actually good value and good advice. So the core value pitch, Ask AI equals a virtual employee that lives inside of their CRM. Easy, simple enough, and that is the truth. It lets the business owner manage contacts, send messages, pull reports, check appointments, and more just by asking in plain English. No tech skills needed. Very, very important that there's no tech skills needed in order to do this because a lot of business owners don't have any tech skills. Next, we have key selling points. It saves you time, of course. No more clicking through menus. They just type show me my open opportunities or add a note to John Smith, and it's done. Exactly what I told you guys. That's exactly how this works and exactly how you sell it. Next, we have a no learning curve. Small business owners hate learning new software. That is true. They do not want to learn anything. Ask AI lets them talk to it instead. They don't have to learn anything at all. Next, we have always available. It's like having a virtual assistant on call 24/7 inside the CRM dashboard. This is always going to be available to them no matter what time of day. It also reduces human error. So guided AI actions are more reliable than manual data entry. Also a very good selling point. Next, we have it feels premium. It's a wow factor. Most small businesses have never experienced anything like it. This is very true. When I've talked to small businesses about how insane Ask AI is and that it can do all of these things, and then I show them it, they lose their mind. They're very confused, but they're also like, this is awesome and I need this in my life. Next, we have how to frame it by industry. So this is really cool because if you guys even want to go more specific and go, oh, I'm only targeting pest control, or my next client's a pool cleaner, then you can actually tell Ask AI, hey, can you do this for pool cleaning only or pest control only? And it will do it right here. So the pitch angle for pest control, ask it to pull up overdue follow-ups or reschedule a route instantly. For pool cleaning, check Dom's open jobs or message a client without digging through the app. We've got solar sales, ask for this week's pipeline status or tag new leads on the fly. Lawn care, pull up tomorrow's schedule or create a task in seconds from your phone. And for the tile company, send a follow-up to all estimate contacts without touching a single drop down. So these are all just different examples. You guys don't have to use them, but they will come in handy when you're trying to pitch this to a customer and they go, well, what am I going to use it for? Like, genuinely, what am I going to use it for? I need real life examples. These are all real life examples. Next, we have monetization angles. So these are different ways that you can monetize it, make money with it. We have bundle it into your AI business OS package as a premium add-on. Exactly. That's what I would do. I would say, hey, for $97 a month, you're only getting a website and a couple automations. But when you want to upgrade to our $297 a month package, we're going to throw in Ask AI, which is going to basically do everything for you. You do not have to learn the software. It does all the heavy lifting for you, but you have to be on the $297 or $497 package for that. This is what I would do. I would definitely charge a little bit more for this. It's just so powerful. Next, we have show it in demos. So live demos are the #1 closer for this feature. I guarantee that is correct. And fun fact, since I already brought it up, I am going to be creating an Ask AI white label demo, and all my affiliates are going to get that demo. So you can just send that to them so they understand exactly what they're getting. I've done this with a ton of other features inside of GHL, but if you use that link in the description below, sign up for 30 days to become an affiliate of me, then you would have already known that. But don't worry, I'll break down all those bonuses at the end of this video. video. Next, we have create a short onboarding video. Show the first 5 things they can ask it. So that's kind of exactly what I'm doing for you guys. So we can skip that one because you're going to get it anyway. Then we have name it something branded for your agency, your AI business manager, to increase perceived value. So they're basically saying like brand it. I don't know if that's going to help you too much. That's my least favorite of these monetization angles, but it could still work. Next, we have what not to do. Don't oversell it as magic. Show real practical use cases. I see this all the time. Someone goes in, they say how amazing their AI bot is, it can do this, it can do that, but they don't need it to do all those things. They probably only need it to do 1% of what you're trying to sell it. They needed to send follow-up messages and emails, they needed to send tasks, they needed to send reminders, they just need it to organize their life. They don't need it to do 9,000 different things. So that's a good one. Don't demo it without context. Walk them through their specific workflow. That's also important, because if you show them a demo of opportunities and pipelines, or, you know, the payment processors and all this other stuff, and they have no idea what any of that means or what any of it is, they're not going to be very impressed because they're just going to be confused. So make sure they understand what the demo really is talking about before you show them the demo. Next, we have don't price it too low. It should feel like a premium tool, not a freebie. I agree with that as well. Like, yeah, it's easy to get, guys. When you get on Go High Level, you got Ask AI right here. But at the end of the day, these are premium tools. These are amazing, and they're saving them so much time and money. So treat it accordingly. It even says at the bottom, want me to help you build a demo script, a short pitch deck outline, or an onboarding video structure for Ask AI? I'm just going to say yes. I'm probably not going to go over all this in the video, but I am curious what it's going to do, because I do have to make my white labeled video on this. So I might as well see how they want me to structure that video. And it is done. They did the entire live demo script with the opening, the demo step number 1, pull up a contact, 2, check the pipeline, 3, take an action, schedule a follow-up. They did the entire pitch deck, 8 to 10 slides with the hook, the problem, meet Ask AI, what it can do. I mean, this is crazy. Then they did the onboarding video outline, which the intro is 30 seconds. Hey, welcome. This is Ask AI, your built-in assistant inside your CRM. And the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it so you can hit the ground running. Section 1 is where to find it. Section 2, your first 5 questions to ask it. Section 3 is tips for getting the best results. Section 4 is what to try this week. And then the outro is also 30 seconds right there. It even tells you at the end if you want to expand any section or tailor it to a specific industry. Absolutely nuts. I might test this out. I might do what they say. I don't know yet. I got to go a little bit more in depth on that, but this is crazy. You guys need to be using Ask AI way more, understanding it way more, and then using it as your pitch and as an upgraded feature for like $297 or $497 a month, because you can also use this on the mobile app. So you don't have to be logged into a computer every single time. Your client can just do this on the go. If you guys haven't seen my mobile app tutorial, definitely go watch that video. But either way, if you are not an affiliate of mine, I highly recommend using that link in the description below, getting 30 days for free, because I am building so many of these white labeled onboarding videos and white label demo videos that you can just send to the customer. It's exactly what they're saying to do right here. You're also going to be put into the greatest community on the planet, literally the best community ever inside of GHL, with over 4,400 members, over 8,000 posts. It's genuinely just growing every single day. You guys have to get in here. It's called High Level AI SaaS Labs. It's everything Declan O'Reilly, the GHL wizard, has ever built, plus all of my bonuses as well. We have a collaboration together, 2 of the top affiliates in the world, if you just use one link in that description below. On top of that, you're going to learn everything you need to know about GHL, how to get clients, how to use snapshots, all the sales scripts, the AI prompts are in here, which you're desperately going to need, by the way. And then of course, Dom's bonuses are right here, guys, which include all of those demo videos that you can just download to your computer, to your phone, and send to anybody that you want. Whether you're trying to explain AI Studio, chat widgets, the AI voice bot. I'm doing one for Google local service ads, Facebook ads. I've got different industries in here: dog grooming promo videos, power washing, waste management, food service, pool cleaning. I got landscaping. I've got chiropractic coming in, pest control, and roofing all coming in. And I have been just filming non-stop. It's been crazy. So I want to make sure you guys get all these amazing bonuses. And I also want to make sure you do not miss out on Summer of AI. Summer of AI is the biggest promotion Go High Level has ever done. They're running this all summer long. They're going to be throwing out different promos, different deals that you can get with GHL, all these amazing things, free AI all summer long. Do not miss out on this. There are certain dates where different promos are coming out, and don't worry, just because you sign up with Go High Level with the free trial using that link in the description below does not mean you miss out on any deals. A lot of people go, oh, I signed up and then a deal came out. All you have to do is click this question mark icon right up here, and you can always raise a ticket or start a chat with support. I recommend raising a ticket. I recommend clicking on affiliate support right here, and you can always just ask them for any of the bonuses, any of the discounts, whatever it may be when they come out. So don't sit back and wait wait because you're going to waste so much time. Use that link in the description below. You can still get the bonuses. Don't worry. You can still get any discounts that they have. And then after you use my link and sign up for that free trial, 30 days for free for GHL, make sure that you either reach out to me if you didn't get the bonuses, leave a comment in my video and say, hey, I didn't get the bonuses. I'll help you out. And most importantly, check spam folder. A lot of those go to spam. The bonuses usually go to spam in your email. So check spam just in case. But either way, that's how you get those amazing bonuses. Do not miss out on Summer of AI and do not miss out on Ask AI. It's so easy to sell. It's one of the best features to sell, and you do not want to miss out on this amazing opportunity. So either way, thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you guys inside of Ask AI. I can't wait to see you guys inside of Go High Level. And most importantly, I can't wait to see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Peace out.